Good morning, today's February 25th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Castro Valley, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this bathtub here. This bathtub has been refinished before, looks like a long time ago. It's coming off everywhere, stickers on the bottom there. So what we're going to do is fully strip this old coating off, prep and repair the chips if we find any, and fully prime and refinish it. To strip this tub, the standard bathtub, and refinish it will take approximately 5.5 hours to fully strip and refinish. So this is the job for today, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here's a finish up video of the bathtub here in Castro Valley, California. Let's have a look. The bottom of this bathtub was pretty bad. A lot of chip repairs after we stripped it. There's a lot of chips underneath, but we went ahead and filled those, and looks really good now. Alright, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.